back half of the Civic off. So just like the Equinox, taking her right off. Holy. Don't hit him. That's the new rule, is everyone hit James. How you doing?
Hi, Don.
Probably a slice of my jugular wine.
Oh yeah, already cut himself once for a video. Didn't even get it on video though. Oh, Kyle, just unplug that wire, Kyle. Hang on to it, Kyle. There we go. Yep. Right into the gazebo, buddy. Oh yeah. Mint.
Okay, so the rust is all in here, right?
Yep.
You gotta cut that shit out. You gotta cut it out before you can do the body work.
That's it.
Over that, it's just gonna blow out. So both fenders that way, so we're gonna take the whole back and cut.
Whole back end's coming out, eh, buddy? Holy. Oh yeah. Yep, Honda weight reduction. You want your Honda to go faster, forget horsepower, people. Just cut the rear end right off. Right through the frame rails, buddy. Kyle, stand on that for a movie, buddy. I'm recording. Just start jumping on it, buddy. There you go. There you go. She's coming. She'll go. She'll go. Oh, yeah. Yep. Yeah, this used to be a nice car. Used to be.
Drive it down the road for a movie.
Oh, yeah. You have to.
With us hanging on to it.
Hang on. We got to rip it off. All right, just pull that right off, boys. Right off. Oh, yeah. Yep.
Still.
That's it. Muffler and everything.
All right, I'm going to take her for a test drive.
All right, buddy, you ready to take this bad boy for a spin?
Oh, no, there's a 10-man hour seat mount down.
Woo! Oh, yeah. That's a good piece of scrap right there, boys. So we did a little modification to the Danger Ranger here. We took off these little 14s, put a set of badass 16s, 235s. Those things are mint. Thankfully they fit, but these things are awesome. They are gonna be sweet in the mud. These were the tires that we smoked off. There's like nothing left of them. So Tire Trackers ended up hooking us up a set of spares just in case we blow a bead on one of these bad boys. So this is a K&N High Flow.
So you take this.
Basically just rip all the paper right out of it.
Yep.
Yep, and then all you need is that screen.
Now we're just gonna take her here.
Yep. Pop that back in there.
There you go.
Done. 15 more horsepower. This thing fired right up. Give her, Kyle. Oh my goodness. Just spurting stuff out of there. Like what's even coming out of here? Oh my goodness. That's some kind of fluid coming out of there. That's a rain catcher essentially, folks.
That smells so bad.
Oh yeah, it does. Oh my God. How many liters of oil?
30.
30 liters of oil in that tailpipe there, folks.
Here, Kyle.
Woo!
Take her up and down the road a couple times.
Kyle's taking her down the road, boys. Holy. Oh, in all her glory. Look at that, folks. Holy. In all her glory. There he goes. Yep. Kyle's taking her for a little spin down the road.
It smells a little bit like oil now.
Oh yeah. Oh my God. Looks like that thing's actually on fire. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Death Race 2018, folks. Choo choo! Give her, buddy.
It's dripping
How to undercoat your car 101, folks. You take 30 liters of used oil right into the tailpipe, and the whole hood, the bottom end, literally she's dripping oils. So the boys are taking her for a spin. Kyle's on the back of the Civic riding her like a chariot. Woo! Missed the ship. Oh, the scrappers would go crazy for this stuff. That's copper in a bottle, boys. Holy. Oh, so we were thinking ahead. See, we cut the roof off of the Equinox, and it appears that a tree has fallen, and it would have smashed the whole back end of this. That makes us happy. Well, folks, I was just taking a little impromptu run down the track, and we got ourselves into a little situation here. Almost ripped my lawnmower clean off the roof. Oh, boys, we're just trying to clean up a little bit of the track. We got all the rigs lined up here. We got the Danger Ranger, we got the Firecock, we got the Civic, and we got Blue Devil. James, your Civic needs a name, buddy.
Well, syphilis.
Syphilis for the win, boys. Ever! Oh my goodness. Just doing a little bit of track cleanup, folks. Trying to get a stump out. Oh yeah. Come forward. Give her. Woo! Oh, what did you do? Buddy, that was his good kind right there. So basically when James hit Jake from behind, he caved in the whole front end because, you know, we did so much weight reduction. But at least he didn't bust the rad. Boys, we're stuck deep. We are officially stuck deep and Jake needs a jump. Oh, boys, we're doing the big pulling operation. This is so wet back here, it's insane. It is insane how wet it is. I think James busted the transmission on the Civic. It won't even go in gear. It's just so wet back here. It's crazy for these little cars. All we really have are winter tires too. My front right tire's locked up, they said too. She ain't moving too good. This is not good, folks. Oh, here comes the part where the lawnmower rips right off the roof, boys. Oh, we're holding on to her. Stay in her. Oh, there she goes, boys. Oh my God. My tires are so filled with mud. They're basically no better than the slicks I had on her before. Oh, I'm getting whipped in the face with branches. Oh! Yeah, something's going on here. She's overheating, I think. All right, give her, buddy. Oh my God, we are stuck so bad. Oh, boys, things are not looking good. Things are not looking good for the Danger Ranger. How bad is it, really? Oh my goodness. Well, boys, EP for the win, but she ain't going too good. Jake's transmission's pretty screwed. They're going to get the tractor because the EP Danger Ranger is just, front tires are C-solid. These guys are backing into trees. Oh. James's transmission, we don't know what's going on with it. Probably the major problem is the pod filter came off, so clearly that just doesn't have the horsepower to go, but we probably could have messed something up when he just did the big impact on the Equinox, and things aren't looking too good. Kyle, on the other hand, with the Malibu, that thing was literally the fastest car, and he said he seized the engine solid, so the whole engine's just completely seized, and it probably won't even turn over. On the Equinox, that thing hardly even moves under power, but at least it moves enough, and it's the only car that does move under its own power, so they're going back to get the tractor. So unfortunately, first couple minutes into the bush, and almost all death race cars have died. Fucking Kyle coming to save the day. Oh, we're getting there. Kyle came to the rescue. We got Jaco back, hanging onto the back of the Civic. Turns out it was just a pinched transmission line, but my front wheels are just locked up solid. Oh, we're stuck. There we go. Good, good. There go the boys, back to get the car. Holy, literally everything's broke. So we figured out the issue. The master cylinder is pretty much pooched on this Ranger here. So we just opened up the bleeder, pressed down on the brake pedal, let up on it, let a bit of air into the line. And the brakes are a little bit spongy now, but they're actually better because before I just get on the brake pedal and they'd lock up. So it's actually a little bit better now. Well, folks, we tried the Blue Devil and we even put a whole bottle of copper fix into it. This thing is dickered. So when James decided to hit me, he didn't just pop the bead, he blew the whole tire off her. Holy. Equinox, on the other hand, even though the transmission slips, it kind of still drives, but not all the time. First day of death race, every single car is pretty much broken.